Break the grip and I go back here. Now I want to go for the first sweep that we did, but he's postured up. Can't get him right. I kick, hug the leg, this leg is in, hug the leg, my head is closed. I get like a Kimura grip first, switch the grips, right? Now from here, my leg is still up, keeping that distance. I don't want to put it down, knee slice. Here, now I grab here, keep this one in, and I just pull his shoulder to the mat. From here, come up, hip to hip, I have the underhook, cross face, put my knee to his stomach, and I come to the mount. Now, being that he's on the side, he's either going to go to his back, or he's going to continue to turn. He continues to turn, I have this, bring my knee up here, now I'm on the back. Got it? One more time. Here, control, grip, pull, back, hit the hip, cross face, the knee into the stomach. Come here, he starts to turn, I hug, just like an arm triangle, I hug, bring the knee up here and I bring him to the other side, and take it back.